RBI Innovation Hub is developing an AI model to reduce banking frauds using mule accounts. The initiative by the RBI Innovation Hub to develop an AI model aimed at reducing banking frauds involving mule accounts in a proactive state in combating financial crime. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The RBI's innovation unit is working with IIT Kanpur to develop an AI model to detect frauds in real time. The idea is to create a platform like Zomato and Swiggy, which resolves customers' complaints in real time. Mule accounts are often used by criminals to launder money or facilitate fraudulent activities, posing significant risks to the integrity of the financial system. A recent collaborative study with 10 banks highlighted the prevalent use of rule based systems for fraud detection, which have proven ineffective in flagging suspicious transactions linked to mule accounts. As per the report from RBI Innovation Hub, the alarming disparity between declared income and transaction volumes in mule accounts emphasizing the inefficiency of current fraud detection methods. To combat this issue, the developed AI model is capable of real time detection, aiming to enhance fraud prevention measures within the banking sector. Additionally, by leveraging AI to bolster fraud detection, noting the enthusiasm of several banks are collaborating with the RBI Innovation Hub to address this pressing concern and highlighting the potential benefits for the industry as a whole. The AI model would analyze vast amounts of transactional data from banks and financial institutions to identify patterns and anomalies indicative of mule account activity. By leveraging ML algorithms, the model could learn the typical behavior of legitimate account holders and flag deviations that may indicate fraudulent behavior, such as sudden large transfers or frequent transactions with suspicious entities. The model could generate alerts for bank staff to investigate potentially fraudulent activities further and assign risk scores to accounts based on their likelihood of involvement in mule account schemes. The RBI Innovation Hub can facilitate collaboration between banks and law enforcement agencies to share intelligence and coordinate efforts in combating mule account fraud activity. Moving forward, by harnessing the power of AI and data analytics, the RBI Innovation Hub's initiative has the potential to enhance the resilience of India's banking system against the growing threat of financial frauds involving mule accounts. Let's look into today's headlines. SEBI issues show cause notices to six Adani Group firms. SEBI issued show cause notices to six Adani Group firms, including Adani Enterprises and Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone. These notifications are about listing rules infractions and related party transactions. With the expectation of Adani Wilmar and Adani Total Gas, auditors voiced worries about possible effects on financial statements while they awaited the conclusion of SEBI's investigations. 7,961 crore rupees remain after 97.76% of the 2000 rupees banknotes returned. According to the data released by the Reserve Bank of India, 97.76% of the 2000 rupees banknotes have been returned, meaning that 7,961 crore rupees is still awaiting to be deposited. Between May 2023 and the present, the value of the 2000 rupees banknotes in circulation has decreased dramatically from 3.56 lakh crore rupees. The RBI states that 2000 rupees banknotes are still valid forms of payments in spite of this. Microsoft signs renewable energy agreement to advance AI. Microsoft and Brookfield Asset Management have signed a historic agreement to finance the development of 10.5 gigawatt of new renewable energy capacity globally. This represents the largest corporate purchase of renewable energy ever recorded. This action is essential for Microsoft's AI growth, which necessitates high energy usage. Between 2026 and 2030, the new renewable energy capacity will be put into service. India and Namibia collaborate on a payment system similar to UPI. In order to update Namibia's financial environment, NPCI International and the Bank of Namibia work together to establish a payment system like UPI. The alliance aims to improve financial access and interoperability in Namibia by utilizing India's UPI technology. When the platform is up and running, it will make digital transactions easier, encouraging financial inclusion and lowering reliance on cash. To continue to be the default search engine in Safari, Google paid Apple $10 billion in 2022. In 2022, Alphabet, the parent company of Google, gave Apple an astounding $20 billion payment to keep Google as the default search engine on Safari, Apple's web browser. As per a report, Google paid approximately $15 billion in 2021. The figures were made public through documents that are a part of the antitrust case against Google that the US Department of Justice is pursuing. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.